Mine is really very, very simple. And if you listen to the concerns, Kenyans are not really too worried about setting up of centers that protect Kenyans. Kenyans are worried about the statement that was made by by Rubio from the US, that seems to imply that this facility is for Americans to protect Americans so that the infected Americans do not touch American soil. And Mr. Speaker,
if you want my opinion, it was a very irresponsible statement.
Yes, it was a very responsible statement. Yes. And all I want to ask Honorable Duale, even though he's throwing back this to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, is what is he doing to deal with this issue squarely with America? We have seen our counterparts in West Africa, when they're being bullied by the French, that they take a firm position and say no. So what are you doing to tell America that they are a friendly nation and we are friends to them, but we cannot allow a situation that compromises our own nationals to maintain that friendship? We cannot allow such things in Kenya.
Thank you.